As the nation eagerly awaited the outcome of the Lok Sabha elections in Punjab, Chandigarh, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, and Uttarakhand, the political landscape was charged with anticipation and speculation. The results of these elections hold significant implications for the political dynamics of the region and the country at large. Here are the latest updates. In Punjab, a four-cornered fight ensued among the Congress, AAP, BJP, and SAD. The battle was keenly watched as it unfolded, with each party vying for supremacy in the state. The election results are expected to determine the future course of Punjab's political trajectory. The Congress party, led by Bhagwant Singh Mann, faced a tough challenge in retaining its stronghold in Punjab. The AAP, buoyed by its recent electoral successes in other states, made a strong bid to expand its footprint in Punjab. Meanwhile, the BJP and SAD sought to make significant gains in the state. The election results have been closely followed not only in Punjab but also in neighboring states like Haryana and Himachal Pradesh. The outcome of these elections could have far-reaching implications for the political landscape of the entire region. In Haryana, the BJP-JJP alliance faced a stiff challenge from the Congress and other regional players. The results of the elections in Haryana are crucial for the ruling alliance as it seeks to consolidate its position in the state. Similarly, in Himachal Pradesh, the BJP aimed to maintain its dominance, while the Congress sought to make significant inroads. The election results in Himachal Pradesh could have a bearing on the political equations at the national level. As the counting of votes progressed, political analysts and observers closely monitored the trends emerging from these states. The electoral verdict is expected to reflect the aspirations and concerns of the electorate in Punjab, Chandigarh, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, and Uttarakhand. The outcome of the elections will not only shape the political landscape of these states but also influence the course of national politics. The results will be keenly watched by political parties, strategists, and observers across the country. As the day unfolds and the election results pour in, one thing is certain: the political landscape of Punjab, Chandigarh, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, and Uttarakhand is set for a significant transformation.